Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be redoing a butcher knife. I'm going to be putting handles on one for my dear friend, Mr. Lamar. He's the one that hired me at the National Park Service. He gave me a chance, and I certainly appreciate it. Me and him became close, and I love him to death. His word is as good as a handshake, I guarantee you that. He's just one of them old school guys, and I love him. But we're going to be redoing this knife for him. I'm going to be cleaning it up, giving it a new edge, taking a little bit of rust off the handle. But you'll see, it's going to turn out great. I apologize about the video being out so late, guys. I had a lot to take care of this morning. But I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, so here's what we got. Old butcher knife. We're going to take it over there on that fiber wheel on a 3-inch bench grinder. Get all this grime off of it, get the rust off. See, it's pitting. We might have to get the wire brush to get all that out. But we're going to do what we can with the fiber wheel first. And there's a name on here. I cannot make it out. There's it right there. But here is the wood I'm putting on here. It's oak. You can buy this at Lowe's. We're going to be using these as the pins. So it's going to look really good when we get done. Okay, guys, it cleaned up really good. Now we're gonna have to put this on there, hold it still, and drill. I'm not gonna do a lanyard hole. Okay, we got a pin in place. Okay, now guys, all we do is put the two pieces of wood together and re-drill the hole. Just make sure they're flush. Pin in there just to help hold it in place. Okay, I got this one drawn out, marked left. This one here I'm drawing out, gonna mark it right. I'm gonna just shave a little bit off with the bandsaw, so I won't have to sand so much. Save me some time. Here. Just like so. Okay, here's where the fun part comes in. Now we got to bevel this enough where that head to fit down in there. So I've got a special drill bit over here. It's these bits here. The Spider Brad Point drill bit set. It's got a flat tip. I'm gonna bevel it just enough where that head will fit down in there. But I'm using a 5/16 over here. But you can buy this at Lowe's for 20 bucks. It's like $19.99 or $19.79. I don't forgot, but it's good to have. That's perfect right there, guys. Perfect. I'll do the other side. See that right there? Guys, what I'm thinking is these handles are too thin. I might have put a spacer in there. Because see, once I do that, it's going to be too loose. Pin's going to be loose. See, by the time you bevel the heads out for the rivets, the pins are too long. So I'm going to try to add these spacers in there. If that don't work, we're going to have to use brass pins. Pin in there to keep it lined up. Okay guys, it's time to put it all together. The spacers I'm using is G10. I bought it off Amazon. The link of this will be down in the video description. And also for my work sharpener, the field guided. I just got it at 20 degrees. Everybody's asking me about my work sharpener. This will be down in the video description as well with a link. I bought it off of Amazon as well. So this is the left side. We're going to start with the big ends first. There. All right. All right. This is the right side. Now see, that's going to be perfect right there. See, I had to use them spacers so it'll fit. It's going to look good too. So now what we're going to do is take it all apart and put a little glue on there. And then we're going to pin it. The glue was set once I set the pins. It'll be good and tight, so we won't have to clamp it or anything. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're not going to put a whole lot of glue, guys, in case we want to ever change out the handles again. You're supposed to dampen non-porous material, so I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right here. Not a whole lot. There we go. That was on there now. She's on there. She's on it now. Okay guys, I'm about to sand the handle down. I put a new belt on. It's 120, 120 grit. Add mineral oil to it. It just makes that grain pop. And add it to the whole blade. Okay, here it is guys, finished product. That thing couldn't have turned out no better. I like the rivets now. I really do. I never use them. I'm gonna start using them now though. But I beveled that end down here. I got them about as even as I could. I think it turned out good. But that spacer worked good. Again, that's a G10 spacer, and it worked just right to use the rivets. And it feels good in your hand too. It really does. I think he's going to be pleased with this. I really do. It's nice and sharp. I gave it a nice new edge. Didn't want to give it a whole real sharp point. He said he didn't want a real sharp point, so I didn't give him one. It's kind of rounded, but that's what you need. You mainly need just to be able to slice stuff, and that's what it is. That's what it's used for. It's sharp now. Beautiful though, ain't it? I love the wood handles. That mineral oil just brung out the grain in that wood. It's pretty, ain't it? I love it. Beautiful knife now, ain't it, guys? It'll serve him well. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I certainly had a ball putting handles on this thing and just cleaning it up. It turned out really good. I'm very pleased with that, and I think he will be too. Anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I know the video's out late today, but I had a lot of stuff to do this morning, and I wanted to make sure I get this right. But it turned out really good. Anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, I'll be like a good night. Stay sharp.